POV or grinder fucking broke. So you gotta fix it. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know what's wrong, but I think in there it's really dirty. And there's no contact. I don't know. Something smelled like it was burning, so we're gonna figure it out. I just clean. I clean very good. Hopefully that helps. Then again, I wouldn't really know. I don't know at all, actually. I know how electricity works. Do I? Good question. Okay, we're gonna do the scary part. Also, I think this fell out. I don't know where this came from. Maybe it goes on this bad boy. Yeah, that seems about right. Yeah, that seems right. That seems right. Anyway. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Is this going to be it? I don't really know. Holy dirty ball sack. Let me grab a cloth and some degreaser. Degreaser. Just put right there. Cloth. Should I use this cloth for the degreaser? Probably not. Here we go. I'm just gonna put this on top of here for now. Grab another one. Let's just try this first. Holy moly. It's a lot of gunk. This is low-key like the only tool I use. Not really, but like, it's my favorite tool to use. Because it works so well and you can use so many different attachments. But as you can see, I have been abusing it like a fucking maniac. I don't even lie, the power's out in the garage too. Like, it ain't looking too hot today. But if I can do this little side quest, maybe cut a little piece, then I will be doing a lot better. I was listening to this quote the other day. Not even a quote, bro. Just like some dude saying some stuff. And he was saying some fire-ass stuff. He was like, you know, you can consume all day. So why not create more than you consume? And I guess that's just like the difference between the rich and the poor nowadays. Is like, who's creating shit And who's not? I'm really poor because I don't do well, I don't really have a job right now, but you know, creative freedom is nice. I can do whatever I want. But, you know, just some silly thoughts. Like, what's up with 6'7", man? Like, I still don't get it, but it's hilarious. Motherfuckers be like, oh fuck, bro. I'm not very good at podcasts, but you know, whatever. Who gives a shit, right? Just create shit. I'm doing better than most. Well, I'm doing more than most. Definitely. I got the fucking Eye of the Tiger, dog. It's crazy. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty clean. I'm not gonna get everything, but I think I did a decent job. Let's look at this bumbaclat. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to touch it, man. But I don't have a choice. I do not have a choice. I have to touch it. I really do have to touch it. Oh, there's a little light in there. I don't think that light works anymore, though. Kind of sad. Who gives a flying fuck? Yeah, dog. It's been wild, man. Got into the relationship with. Yeah, it's been rough, dog. Just relationship wise. Like, I was pretty locked in beforehand, just like gymming, being the best I can. And then I met this girl that literally flipped my life upside down. Like, literally upside down. Started clubbing, started drinking, started fighting, like, just stupid shit, man. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, oh shit. It's nice to have a good night out. But it's just, I don't know, it's like, it's just so, I don't know, man. It's not, it never really was my thing. But then I got addicted to it. Drinking, having a good time. I mean, who doesn't get addicted to a good time, am I right? But, you know, life goes on. I'll probably time-lapse this. Unless you guys like hearing me rant about random shit to myself. I mean, I kind of like it. Oh, fuck. What is this? What is this? Am I gonna break it if I take it out? I don't know. I really do not know what this is. I'm kind of tempted to take it out. Hold on. I need to be able to see what's in there. Okay, it's literally just a magnet. It is literally just a magnet. It is just a magnet. Okay, I see what's going on here. Oh! Hooray. Yeah, this shit is nasty, bro. Like, I abused this shit. Probably like way too much, but what am I to care? It's doing its job. Until today, when it fucking burnt out, made me cry. I didn't cry, but I was distraught. Because this is my grinder. My favorite grinder. I actually wanted a cat grinder. Like Caterpillar. Just because it'd be funny to say, like, oh yeah, let me use my cat grinder. But, you know, Makita's cool too, I guess. Oh shit, I fingered through the cloth. But yeah, I don't know. Heartbreak is a strange thing for me. Like, well, for one, she wasn't the one. She was low-key driving me insane. Like, I liked it at first, you know, it just kept me on my toes. But after a while, you know, it's just like, you reach a breaking point where it's just like, it's not okay, you know? Like, some boundaries are meant to be boundaries, not just fuel to strive off of. And I just could not live with that. Holy moly, that magnet in there is actually strip butt fucked. Like, it might be fucked. I don't know. I'm not really sure. This comes right out. Holy moly. I think that's as far as I want to go. Oh, I know something burnt in here. So I'm just checking the wires. Oh, I see a wire here. I see the missing piece. This is the missing piece. I assure you, this is the missing piece. Oh yeah. Okay, where the fuck does this go? You guys seeing what I'm seeing? 'Cause, like, I don't know where the fuck this goes. Where the fuck does this go, bro? Where the fuck does it go? What the fuck? It's black and white. Okay, we're taking it out. We gotta take it out, I think. Yeah, because this turns it on. Like a little button. So that's pretty cool. But I think I have to take this out. Okay. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Easily done. Take this out too. Fuck it. Now this is easy. This is simple, bro. This is simple, dog. This is the easiest shit to understand. Oh. Yeah, black and red. Where the fuck does this go? Where does this go? Oh my god. It's also, oh fuck me, bro. I'm a welder, by the way, guys. Like, I know how this shit works. It's like a tiny welding machine almost. It's got little magnets in there that change the voltage or the speed. If you're smart enough and know what you're doing. Most people don't, though. Won't blame them. It's fucking synthwave technology bullshit. Fucking electricians, bro. I'm a fucking electrician right now. I'm fucking an electrician right now. I'm so pissed. What the fuck? Okay, these have to move, right? These don't move. Are you sure? Sure. Ooh, it moves. Oh, that one's not moving. Is that good or bad? Oh, shit. That was bad. That was really bad. Oh. Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Okay, fuck me. I think I just fucked it, guys. I think I genuinely just fucked it. Because this one moves. Moves freely. This one don't move for shit. And I think that might be a problem. Like, it just might be a problem, guys. Shit balls. Oh, shit balls. I think what happened Is this thing burnt out, hey? This little magnet. And I don't know if it's gonna work again. Just have to get it out first. Ah, fuck. I think I fucked it, guys. I pulled it to my penthouse and I freaked it. It is fucked. Oh. Stinky. You sure this don't come out? And where the fuck does this go? Ugh, so many questions, such little answers. Yeah, dog, this is not right. Cause, where did it go? Cause this goes in here like so. Kind of like this. And then it rotates. I think it does that. Okay, let's try it. Let's grab a battery. Hook her in. Oh god, this is kind of scary. I won't lie. This is really scary. Woo! Because once it turns on, it's kind of like, it's kind of on, right? Oh, I should not be doing this, guys. This is stupid. Oh, no, it goes all the way in. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, and then the other one's just not coming out enough. Okay, well, the more you know. Fuck, bro. How do I get this out? I fucked it, bro. I freaked it, guys. Pulled it to my penthouse and I freaked it, guys. Freaked it so bad. Ooh, Lord. That can't be good. Oh my gosh. I need a tinier screwdriver. Bumbleclad. Oh. Yeah, because this one's okay. This one is going through mental issues. Oh yeah, that shit is fucking in there. Oh. Come on now, come on out. Come say hi. Oh shit, my bad. I was fingering this aggressively. Oh, come on, come say hi. Come say hi to the internet. Sweet, sweet magnet. Come say hi to the internet. Oh yeah. Come say hi. Oh, I'm fucking it up now. If only there were replacements for these types of things, Eli. Well, I'm sure there is. I'm just... Oh, is there like a... Hold on, guys. I gotta cook real quick. Okay. Come on out, man. Come on out, dog. Oh, yeah. I think it's actually just so fucked up. It can only go out a certain amount. Oh, yeah. Okay, I did something, guys. I did something. Did I do something good? I don't know. Is this good, guys? Am I... Oh! No, that's not good. That's not good at all. I found our problem. That's not good. Because whatever the fuck this was. And it looks like whatever the fuck this was connected to power. And it is no longer connected to power. Oh, shit balls. Okay, this has got to be magnetic, right? It's not magnetic. That might be good. I might be able to weld this. It's really soft, though. So I'm not exactly sure what it is I'm looking at. I don't know what kind of steel this is. Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my fucking god. I don't know what this is, guys. I think I freaked it. I think it's done for. Yeah, dog. I don't know, man. It might be done for. I mean, no, because, like, it's connected to the bottom. So it's connected all the way around. So if I can just figure out a way to get this in here and connected, but kind of outwards, you feel me? Because this one moves, right? Like, fuck, man, I don't know. Yeah, like, yeah, wow. Oh my god, guys, it works now. Oh, look. I'm so smart, guys. It actually just might work. That's a big might. That's a big maybe, though. Seeing as this is an old-ass motherfucking grinder. It's not even old, bro. It's just been abused so heavily. I don't think it wants to work anymore. But I'm gonna make this bitch work. If it's the end of me, like, fuck. I got it. Alright. This goes. Oh, shit balls. Oh, shitty shit balls. Oh, come on, just a little bit more. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. Giga Chad moment here. Oh, fuck. Come on, go in the hole, please. Go in the hole. Fuck off, go in the hole. Okay, I think I fixed it. Like, they're both touching. So that's really good. Okay, that's really good. That's super good. I'm just gonna clean this out. Spray it down like a fucking maniac. Yeah. But I'm a craftsman, bro. I'm really good with my hands. I can build a lot of good shit. But I'm not really sure what I want to build, you know? Like, I need some, like, crazy business ideas. Not to make me rich, but just to change the world, you know? Change the world. My final message. Goodbye. If you know that meme, you're fucking addicted to Tenor, bro. Oh, fuck. Yeah. I think I fixed it though, guys. On a real note, I think I fixed it. It might be a little temperamental now, but honestly, that's better than not having a grinder, so you know, I'll take what I can get. Oh no! What did I do? Did I break it? Did I break it? I don't know. No, I didn't. It just stays there. Like a good button. Oh, one thing I really struggle with is like making friends that are female. Like, I've just never personally been in the position where, like, you know, like, I just look at them platonically. Like, I'm a really freaking horny dude, you know? And it's tough. It's really tough. Obviously, I have some. Like, some people I look at and I don't see any chemistry in them. But just for most, or like, even if I don't have the chemistry, like, usually, because I'm a good-looking guy, they'll have the chemistry for me. And they'll want to get to know me. And I'm like, fuck, man, like, it just doesn't make life easier. Like, I don't know, because I don't want to roster either. I don't want to roster a woman. Just because it's annoying. I don't like having to deal with their bullshit all day. Obviously, you know, they're really nice people, but it's hard. It's hard for me to make friends that are women. And that's what makes me not ready to love someone. Because they'll have their roster of dudes, and then I'm stuck there just like being the not normal. I don't even know what's normal anymore. And then, like, you know, like, these dudes that they hang out with, I just get paranoid. And it hurts. It sucks. And I don't know what to think anymore. Like, I think, like, as a male or a female, or a male or a female, like, you're gonna have chemistry. That's just how chemistry works, you know? I don't understand it, man. It's crazy to me. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm the fucked up one. I'm not sure, bro. I think I'm better off alone. Just like doing my own thing. Because I get a lot of shit done. Like, I can get so much shit done. But, like, but it sucks, you know, being alone. I got my family. But, yeah, that's my family, you know. I still crave chemistry and friends and whatnot. But, yeah. There's my little Eli podcast of me fixing the fucking grinder. I don't know if it's fixed yet. Like, whoa, bro. I don't know what this is for. Like, I genuinely do not know where this goes. Like, I have no clue where this goes, bro. I would say maybe in there. No. I feel like it would go in here, but there's no connector. There's no connector. Like, it'd be so cool if this thing lit up. I won't even lie. But I don't see the connector, which kind of makes me... Maybe it fell on the floor. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I might have let it fall on the floor. This is cool, but this is not what I need. Bumbleclad. That'd be awesome. Okay, well, I don't see it. And honestly, I don't really care for it either, so we're just gonna live life without it. How does this go in? Okay, this goes in. Oh, shit balls. No, this... Fuck. I think... Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, shit. Oh, shit, fuck. Oh, fuck. I think that goes around there, so I'm kind of boned. I am kind of currently boned. Guys, I think I'm boned. Yeah. That goes like so. This goes like so. Okay, come on. Oh, shit. This goes, I hope you guys can see. I hope my giant fucking hat isn't getting in the way. There we go. And then this one goes in here. Like so. That goes in there. And then that light goes in between there, but I don't really want to. I might just. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me. Oh no, it's still working. Fuck the light. The light can fuck off. The light can suck my giant fucking cock. Like, honestly. I'm just gonna make it work. Okay, okay. We're cooking, chat. We're cooking. Let's see if I have some oil. What is this? Cream tartar. No, thank you. I know I have some oil somewhere. Got some brake fluid here. I don't know what I should oil up. Oh, fuck. I think I'm gonna try and put some oil on the bottom of that bearing there. So if I can just use this to scoop up a little bit. Scoop up a little bit and then just drop it in there. Oh yeah, that's the shit. Just drop by drop. I think it's better to have oil than to have no oil. We'll still get contact with a little oil on there, right guys? Right guys? Yo guys. Oh wait, I'm not on Twitch. Yeah, that's good. And there's some in that top bearing there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. This thing is either gonna light on fire or I'm going to be fine. I'm not sure. I don't care. As long as it works, I will be very happy. But yeah, this thing definitely smelled like it was on fire earlier. And then it just gave out. And I was like, fuck. It might be this, low-key. I'm gonna push that back in. I feel like that shouldn't be out there dangling about. Then again, it might just fuck it up more. You never know. Might have to go in there. I don't fucking care. I do care, but I don't think it's crucial. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, that's done. Next up, let's grab this bad boy. Give it a little blow job. Very nice. Little blow job. Oh my god, bro. Note to self, don't use your grinder for tiling. Cause it'll get everywhere, bro. Like, it'll actually destroy your grinder. Which I think it just did to mine. Oh well. Okay. Everything looks good. Yeah. Let's do a little scraping in there. Nasty ass fucking whatever the fuck. But yeah, I think I could create a lot of things in my life, you know? So I'm just gonna keep on creating, and like regardless of whatever the fuck I make, I think I'm not gonna be insecure about it. Cause I've never really been I've never really been an insecure guy. Except for with my ex. She was just making me compete for her love. But other than that, I'm not like an insecure guy with who I am. If you know what I'm saying. Okay, let's put a couple of these bad boys in here. Give it a little brush treatment. And like, yeah, nasty screws. Oh shit. That's right. Oh, should I put a little grease in here too? Oh my, it is so dirty in there. But I don't want to fuck it up. I gotta get that grease in there, you feel me? Oh yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It'll ride real smooth after this. Oh, what is that? Grease. Maybe if I'm just like, if I just like shove my finger in there. Oh, fuck. The magnet. Oh, shit. Oh, shitty ball sack. Oh, well. Don't worry, guys. I'm coming. Fuck. I need nicotine, bro. But I quit like this morning and it sucks. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. As long as I'm not chain smoking, I think I should be okay. To be fair though, like, vaping is borderline chain smoking. And that shit was just normal. Okay, well, that was great. But this is not so great. Because now I have to open this shit up again. Oh! Bombaclat, guys. Big bombaclat. Oh, I might have fucked it again. No, I don't know. I think it's okay. Okay. Yes, let's do it together. Ooh, it's magnetic. Right now. There we go. That's so cool. You see that? It just like, it like found its, it was like, oh, 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 oh. It just knew its home. It knew where it lived, bro. Okay, you get in the hole, please, but do so in a way that doesn't fuck up the other magnet, please. Oh shit. Oh shit, that's not good. So that's my power here. That's what. Ooh, it might be working. Let me just do that merge. I think it'll work. It's a big thinker though, for sure. Definitely a big thinker. Oh fuck. It's connected, like you can see that it's touching. It's definitely touching again. That's good. That's very good. Let's just get it in line. Here. How the fuck am I gonna get it in line? Don't know. I don't know. Oh my, is it a magnet? No, magnet. Magnet! Are you in all the way? I don't think you are. Oh, there's a little notch. Okay, well, that's not gonna help. I'm gonna have to take this out and find out. Oh, it's fucking backwards. What the fuck, man? I didn't think it could go in backwards. Right? Right there. Yeah. It's fucking annoying. What can you do? I'm fucking now. Oh! No. Please have mercy on my soul. Okay, and then I have to somehow squeeze it in there. Oh my gosh. No, that's some bullshit, bro. We ain't doing all that. Give it a little. Do a little clean. Do a little dance. Make a little love. I'm gonna try that again. We're going to try this again. Hope you guys can see this. Actually, like, built. Okay, yep, that's good. Okie dokie. See if I can't line up this bad boy. Yeah. Take this down a little bit. That's in there. Oh, you're kidding me. You're fucking kidding me. The goddamn magnet pulled back. I'm going to lose my shit. Come on out, dog. Please come on out. Oh, it came out. Okay, we're okay, guys. We're still okay. Okay, it should work. This time it'll work. I could fuck the light, bro. I need the airflow. And then this goes somewhere in here, like so. Would you consider this a how-to tutorial or I'm figuring it out tutorial? I didn't really how-to this. I just fucking opened it up because it wasn't working. Okay. Sometimes maybe I should just like shut the fuck up. You know? Like I'd be saying a lot of shit. Probably not good shit either. But you know, I'll probably just time lapse this. And people are gonna be like, oh my god, wow, he did it in 3 seconds. No man, it's almost been an hour. I've been trying this shit out. Ugh. Fucking fuck. And by the time it's been an hour, I'm gonna have to go home. I just want to work on my car. Love cars, man. I really do love cars. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's clean this bad boy. Give it a little. That's good enough. Just give it a little juice on there. And we'll slap it on. Actually, I got a whole bunch of dirt in here now. Because I'm a stupid, silly monkey. Oh, and I dropped a screw. World War III, guys. It's gonna happen. I don't know. I honestly don't know if it's gonna happen. All I know is America's lost their shit. Like, they into money problems and they're not telling anyone. Everyone thinks America's just good, dally, and fine, but no. America's up in shit right now. They have no money for anything. But they have the highest dollar. It's weird. Okay, to be fair, they have money, but it's completely and entirely funded off other people's wars. Like, genuinely, they're just like rats. Taking advantage of everybody. I think it's gotten to the point where there is no place like home. Ugh. And it's all gonna be gone. Yep, it's all gonna be gone. Like, on our time on this earth, does anything really matter? Probably not. I'm gonna make my experiences and I'm going to move on. Well, not even my experiences. I've experienced some shit, but like, I want to build shit for the next generation. Shit for the next little boy to find. Or look at, just even like a house, dog. I mean, like, you know, that's fun, but nowadays it's not as fun because it's corporatized. It's corporate, guys. It's fucking corporate as shit. It's not like you're building a cabin in the woods with your buddies. It's like, oh, I have to get paid today. I need to eat food today, guys. We have to build a house. So I'm a welder, dog. At least they do cool shit. Mainly because metal's not easy to put together. Can't just... Like wood, to put metal, or to put wood together, you use metal. To put metal together, you have to use metal. So it is a very stinky. It's a stinky stinker. Okay, let's test it out, Doug. Let's see if this shit works or not. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Is that good? Come on, man. I know you got it in you. Bro, something's wrong. Like, it smells in there. It's kind of working. Come on, guys. You can't be real. Okay, I believe it's this one. Ooh. Like, you need to, like, keep it on there almost. But I can't exactly move whatever the fuck this is. I don't think I can move this either. Yeah, no, that's... Whatever this is, it's not helpful. All that time for nothing, guys. Fuck. What am I gonna do? I think it's smoking, guys. It definitely smells fucking weird. It's definitely not working like it should be. I'm not, maybe a different battery? Let's try a different battery. Let's get this shit going. Oh. Let's get this shit going. Oh. This fucking one. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, there's... It's fucked. I made it work, but... It's not gonna work, you feel me? Maybe if I... Do a little magic sauce. Give it the... Ugh. It's not gonna work, guys. Oh, I think this grinder has seen its last days. Sadly. It's whatever. I'll dip and dive.